On my last stream on twitch.tv/GremCS, I unboxed this, a Maono AU-A04T microphone, the replacement for my blue snowball. So, I wanted to show you the unboxing of it and the weird stuff that ensued because of it. Sure, we'll call it that. We're starting off on a new camera angle. Well, not a new camera angle per se, but it is one that I haven't used in a long while. This will be a very interesting stream, and one that I haven't streamed something like this before. We're doing an unboxing. Oh, shut up, phone. But this baby right here is gonna be gone within this stream, which is really strange to think about. What I've got here, I've completely covered the shipping label, but this is the box for the new mic. I'm not going mainstream with like Blue or a HyperX Quadcast. I am, I guess you could say, going off-brand. As you can probably expect, you're not getting the direct input from my microphone. I'm using voice mods so that I can replay my audio, so I can hear myself right now. There we go. But yeah, this blue orb here will be gone within the while. But yeah, with the voice mod, I can also I can do the which is the perk if you decide to use channel points, if you have any. This is gonna be so interesting. I haven't unboxed another mic in a long time. I guess I'll start off here. Obviously, I had to cover the shipping label because this is how it was shipped. This is the Maono AU-A04T condenser microphone. This one's a little bit different than the Snowball. Wow, the music's loud. Why is some of this music so loud and some of it isn't? I'm covering it with math homework and sticky notes. This is the new microphone that is replacing the Snowball. There will be no more green orb, at least mainly, because I may use this as a backup sometimes when I want to, like, if someone else is going to be borrowing it, or it was built different. Indeed, it was built different. This will probably be in the background. I still have the stand for it, so I'll probably, this dinky little thing that's actually broken. There's a little chunk taken out of the metal there. But yeah, that's how I used to have it until like 2017 when I got the arm. And hopefully with the shock mount, I'll have less like arm noise or cable noise. This is the AU-A04T. It doesn't come with a mic arm like the AU-04. I got this for like 60 bucks, so a little bit less than the Snowball. What the heck? I searched the microphone and I got a dummy head binaural stereo microphone for like ASMR for $9,000. No thank you. This is the AU-A04T. It comes with a stand, a very heavy stand, a shock mount, a pop filter, a windsock, and obviously the microphone. Sampling rate is 192 kilohertz, which is much more than you need, but the other thing says plur pattern. That's supposed to say polar pattern. Beautiful manufacturing by Maono. Whew. Alright, so we've got, okay, it's just like their business card thing. The user manual. I flipped to the Chinese section. It comes in English, German, and Chinese. Here's the yummy silica gel. This won't focus. There it is. Which is weird, because you always see it in, like, paper and not plastic. This is a very strange thing. Alright, we've got a shock mount here. Ooh, this has weight to it. Oh gosh, it's much tighter than I thought it would be. Just got done watching a Geico ad. Woo! Geico! Saves you 15% or more on car insurance. Not sponsored. Here's the stand, I guess. Yeah, the shock mount. It's not like you even have to tighten it. It's just you squeeze this and it opens up. Oh gosh, the cable. Which is USB-B, which I really like. Thank God. So this is supposed to be the windscreen that you put on the mic, but oh my gosh, okay. Wow, it was shoved in there. Here's the microphone. got a little bit of weight to it, actually. Woo! Beautiful. And here's... Okay. So here's the pop filter. So we'll compare it to my Dragon Pad. So this is a much longer pop filter. It has a much longer arm. It also has a lot of the padding taken from it. So if I fully straighten this out, this is the Dragon Pad. Here's the full length. This is a hefty boy. I've been using it for a while. This is the Maono's, which is kind of like the same... Oh, wow, it's much more flexible. I can already tell. It's also smaller. See 5 million cars? I am a very avid Hot Wheels collector. There's a size difference. That's nuts. And holy cow. Oh, the stand. Yep. I knew this was the heavy part of it. Oh my. This is like hard metal. Like, I'll just set this on my mouse pad. It is like iron. Alright, so I don't think I'll be using that, but I'll set it up just in case. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're going to take off the snowball, and I'm gonna switch to... Please, there we go. This, yep, that is exactly right. Hold on, I'll actually do this. Oh, yes! I have found a use for the stand, and its use is to hold the Rode Video Micro. Oh my gosh, yep, it is. Well, it's just the windsock, but without it, it's just... It's a tiny little thing, but I don't use it because it's a 3.5 millimeter. So what we're gonna do is unplug the snowball, and then I will take out this thing. No, I did not get it. That's strange. I haven't seen that in forever. This is heavier. I got this 6 years ago. 6.5 years ago. I was 13. I'm 19 and a half now. This microphone is not loud at all. This is a much needed upgrade because this was not aesthetically pleasing because I've got red and black, red and black, red and black. Shock mount time. When I need a microphone to be pointing at my face, it needs to actually be facing me. Alright, and then what I do is I get the clamps. I'll actually be able to have the microphone in front of my face! Oh my gosh, it's very strong. Holy shit. And I'm not left-handed. It is very sturdy. The mic looks good. Like, it actually doesn't look bad. And I'll try out the Maono pop filter, too. It's such a dinky little pop filter. And then if I really wanted to, I probably don't want this looking as ugly as it does. So I'll... Oh my lord. How the hell do you get it to this point? It's so warped. This was like the YouTube Minecraft PvP anthem back in the day. But not anymore. Ah! Wait, I'm not even using it yet. Why am I getting excited over something that I'm physically not able to hear? Please fit on the mic. I'm begging you. The stream title should be more like, watch Grem struggle to put a mic together. This is awful. This is genuinely awful. This has, like, no time to set at all. It looks a little bit folded. Oh my gosh. I managed to unplug my freaking mouse! How did I do that? Please! Thank you! I actually like having a mouse that I can use. This pop filter is so dinky. I have so many microphones. It's so dinky compared to this thing. I feel like I could, like, just whack someone upside the head with it. Fly swatter, yes! It's a fly swatter. It has been a while. It's so strange. It looks so weird on the stand. The snowballs. I know! The original snowball stand is so ugly. The ice looks better, but I still would never use it. Holy cow. Yeah, this is like an 8-foot cable. No! Holy shit, Katie! Thank you for the sub! You're not hearing me through this thing yet. Ah, my N keeps falling. Oh, I'm taking a screenshot! Ha! This cable is unfathomably long. Alright, and... Ooh. Wait. Oh, we're in. We're in. Oh! I'm gonna plug in every mic so we can get, like, proper comparisons. This is what I normally have sounded like with the snowball. Of course. I might need to do a little bit of editing to the Maono. This is the Rode Video Micro. It's the chinchilla. Let me set down the snowball. I'm sorry. Alright, and a moment of truth. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Ooh! Look at that. Interesting. There's not a lot of noise, which I really like. So this is it with the wind catcher and the pop filter on. There's not a lot of background noise. I'm gonna have to adjust the volumes and such. I'd have to say it looks much better than the thing, and it's got a decent amount of bass. So this doesn't have as much high pickup and low pickup, but I don't really need much more. All right. I do have to say that this looks... It's a very nice looking microphone. It'll take a little bit of time to get used to, but honestly, like... If I can take this off... Okay, that sounds a little better. It's probably because of this, but it's a good looking microphone. Can I just like boost up the treble? Oh, shoot. Okay, so this is it with the voice changer on, with me having adjusted the treble. It looks much nicer than the old snowball. I mean, yeah, like look at this thing. So yeah, with a tiny bit of EQ from voice mod, it sounds really nice. It's so small. I know. Look at the size of it compared to the snowball here. Look at this size. Look at the size comparison. But it also looks better. Don't you agree? And I mean, obviously it looks better than this thing. So, and it's also a cardio. It's like a curling, whatever it's called. This is what is going to be the main microphone. Yeah, so it does, because of the shock mount, it doesn't pick up as much sound from the desk. And I know you can get shock mounts for the Blue Snowball, but I just wanted to start off with something different. This is the life. There's not a lot of feedback when you bump it too. The keyboard sounds so much nicer. I'm so glad I got this. The shock mount definitely helps. But yeah, this is the microphone, and I can actually have it in front of my face. And now I'll just have the snowball for like an auxiliary mic. Your setup looks black and red. Yeah, it finally looks black and red. It finally looks black and red. And then I look at my keyboard and mouse and the mouse pad. Hey, I'm looking at keyboards, don't worry. And I'm fine with this. And let's try this from a different view. The regular view. Woo, there's my keyboard. Look at that. It's like in front of my face. Hot and spicy. As you do. This bad boy is, he'll be my stand-in. He will be my stand-in. For sure. I can't get over this mic, dude. It looks so nice. I love it.